Hey guys, it's Miss Sarah again. I wanted to show you one more wacky science activity you can do. This is just a regular water bottle. I actually prefer to use Dasani brand for this kind of thing because it has a better lid, but really any water bottle will work. And we have taken out about, a third of it, maybe a fourth of the water, and I'm just gonna add some food coloring, whatever color you want. I just happen to use green because it was just right here. I'm gonna screw on the lid and mix it up just a little bit. And if you have metallic confetti around your house or anything that's metallic that you want to drop in here, you can always do that as well. Then I'm going to add in some baby oil, and baby oil and water don't mix. One is more dense than the other. So mom and dad, probably they can do the water, drinking the water. They can put in their own food coloring. Probably you'll want to put the baby oil in the top. If you don't have baby oil, you could always use cooking oil is fine. It'll just make the oil layer, of course, more of a yellow color. But you'll notice that the oil and water definitely do not mix. Also, another tip is if you have a hot glue gun and you want to put just a stream of hot glue right here around the lid for when you screw the lid on to make it stay, that's a great idea so that it doesn't leak anywhere because they're gonna get crazy with these. So I screw on the lid, and then we have like lava in a bottle, which is really fun to play with because the oil and water won't ever mix together. And the oil will always stay its original color, and the water in the bottle will stay its color as well. So again, easy, something you probably have at home, and it's kind of fun to play with. Wacky science, always fun.